So here's how to make calendar on Notion. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. To make a calendar on Notion, you have to add a new page. After adding your page, you have to give it a title. Now here from the bottom, you have to simply select the option of the calendar. After clicking onto this calendar option, now here you will be able to view the menu like this. Click on the select the data to import if you have any data, or you can simply select the data source from the available menu. Here I already have prepared some tasks, so I selected it. After that, as you can see, our calendar database has been added. Now you can simply schedule tasks on calendar. So that's how to create a calendar in Notion in minutes.